the video that you just watched, it is generated from Higgsfield AI. If you are thinking what is Higgsfield AI, Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI platform, and it's doing amazing right now, and it's the most creator friendly platform, guys. You can swap a full body character which tracks posture, hands, and micro gestures for shots that feel filmed but not faked. And that's why we're gonna go deeper in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna learn something new. We are gonna learn about Higgsfield AI. This is the interface of the website, how it looks like. There are huge varieties. There's explore. If you go to explore, then there's a visual effects, Higgsfield Soul, Higgsfield apps, Kling 2.5 turbo, camera controls, viral action movements, UGC commercial, and if you go to image, there's also lots of features. Same with video also, and we are gonna try something interesting today. We are gonna try the recast studio of Higgsfield. So before starting, let me tell you what Higgsfield recast can do. So it can keep your gestures and hands stable, clone any voice, okay, or auto adapt to at least 6 languages, all right, and swap into 30 plus characters, guys. It can be male, female, anime, cartoon, creatures, anything, and it can instantly change location. So this is very cool. Let's try. I have a video of a person walking. It's maximum 13 minutes video. See, the face is different of the woman, right? We can change our face. We can change our character's face. So if you have a photo of your character, you can put your own photo as well. And if you can select any character, alright, let's go to all. If you have a character, you can upload the reference image. Okay, I will go with this character and I will click generate. Okay, so you can see how the face is. The dress is also a little bit different, alright, and we have changed the face, alright. You can see how realistic it is. Alright, let's start a new one. So you can see the dress and the face is different. After generating a new character, the face, the background, everything, it is different, alright. So we are gonna cancel this and I'm gonna upload a new video. This was the video that we uploaded, right? Now let's choose the marketing video which I've uploaded. Alright, and now we can change our character. Our character is this one. Let's change into click generate, and our voice, if you want you can keep it original, but I will go with Hindi. Let's see how it is. Or Italian, let's go with Italian, and our background I have to choose this one. Let's generate how the result is. Okay, so the generation in progress might take up to 5 minutes. So we have our result now. Let's see how is it.
Trasformate la vostra attività, ordinate la vostra copia oggi. Professionisti del marketing e imprenditori, siete pronti a sbloccare il vostro potenziale? La Internet Marketing Bible vi guida nelle strategie digitali. Immergetevi.
Okay, it seems it's good. Alright, and this time let's try. Um, let's go with Hindi. I would like to see how the result is, and the background will just keep it same. Okay, and let's click generate. So everything seems good, guys. You can clone your voice as well. Plus, you can change the languages. Up to 6 languages we have: English, Hindi, Italian, and Russian, and more. So you guys can try. Plus, there's some characters. We'll try the anime characters also. Slowly, we are gonna dive into that also. So let's see. Okay, so let's see. This time I didn't change the face, I just changed the background and the language. Alright, let's see now.
इंटरनेट मार्केटिंग बाइबल डिजिटल रणनीतियों का मार्गदर्शन करती है। एनालिटिक्स में गहराई से उतरें, सोशल मीडिया पर प्रभुत्व कायम करें, ई कॉमर्स में उत्कृष्टता हासिल करें, अपने व्यवसाय को बदल दें। आज ही अपनी प्रति
Okay, this seems fine. Just at ending frame, the book was open, something like this. But so far it's good. The Hindi is like high advanced Hindi. Alright. So far it's fine. Now let's try a new one. Okay. We have tried the character, we have tried the dubbing, we have tried the background, and you can do this without green screen also, guys. So let's try a new one. Okay, I'll cancel this and let's upload this one. Alright. This time we'll choose an anime. Okay. Or I think we'll go with the cartoon for now. I really want to see how the cartoon takes place. And I'll just keep it original. I want the same location. Okay. And I'll select my character again. There you go, continue and generate. So I hope you get the idea, guys. You can create any video without a green screen. So this has taken into a high level, which is cool and which helps us to save time as well. Okay, so you can see how the result is. This time it tracks the way how you move, how you walk, and there is some hand movements also, the gesture, everything, and you can see how cool it is. Okay, so this is the Recast Studio. If you go to pricing, there is basic plan, pro plan, ultimate plan, and creator plan. Alright, so you can choose according to your needs. Okay, but I have to tell you, if you invest to Higgsfield.ai, I'm sure you will not be disappointed because it's like you can do anything with Higgsfield.ai, which I just showed you. And if you see my other videos, I have used Kling, Minimax, Pickverse. So they have it's like a huge marketplace where you can use different models and features as well. So do try it, guys, and let me know how is it. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is about Higgsfield.ai, the how to use the Higgsfield Recast Studio. So I hope you get the idea, guys. And if you like this video, please do like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and please do support to the channel. And if you're watching until the very end, please don't forget to drop a yellow heart or yellow star. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.